Alright, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ronny. Today I'm going to take you through Google Meet. So I should first take you how you open Google Meet in Google Chrome. You first go to Google Chrome. Then after Google Chrome, you launch Google Meet in Google Apps. My network is a little bit poor, but I hope it's going to open. So Google Meet is down here. So you open it so I can enter or join a meeting, or I can create a meeting. So I have option of creating a meeting for later, start an instant meeting. So in this case, maybe I want to start an instant meeting. So I'm joining right over there. My network is a bit poor, but it's going to work for us. This is the option of turning off or on my screen. I can decide to use camera, but for this case I have camera recording, so it will not be in use. So I can also have an option of using my microphone. Have an option of using it, or I can turn it off. There's option of raising the hand there. Then we have more options. I think you can do. They are here. This is for sharing my screen to people. Maybe I was doing something, then I want to share the screen to the people. So that is how I share my screen. People, I can say window or entire screen. I can choose what to share. Like I want to share this to people, and I say share. So my audience will be able to see whatever I'm doing. So I can stop sharing whatever I'm doing, then I continue with whatever I'm doing here. I can also change the background by putting on anything. This one. The camera is turned off, selecting an effect will turn it on. So you can also select this. Background. You can also change the background. Or you can adjust video lighting. So you have option of doing anything right over there. This for ending or leaving the meeting or leaving the call. So you can also add people to your meeting. Maybe I want to invite someone. I can also invite them using email, or I can also invite them, like I want to invite this one, tap on it, and I say send email. Or I can also use the then I send to them. There are many option of audio setting, option of raising the hand, option of send a reaction. You can also send your reaction. Maybe the things are going very well, you see it over there, or they are not going, send your option right over there. Alright, that is all about what I had for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe and follow my YouTube channel.